Hello guys, welcome back with me Mr. Arnold, and today we are going to learn a new things called quadratic equation. So, have you ever tried to find the area of a rectangular soccer field? Like this one. Okay, if we want to find the area, the total area, we just need to multiply the length of that rectangular soccer field and its width. Okay, so it will be, let's say, the length is 100 meters and the width is 50 meters. So the area will be 100 times 50 is equal to 5,000 meters square. Now, the problem is, what if we don't know one of the length or its width? So, for example, is like this one. Now, let's say you have a project to build a soccer field with the area of 7,000 square meter. Okay, you also thought that the length should be 30 meters more than its width. How should you build that field? Check the following explanation. So this is the form of quadratic equation. ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Based on the example, we know that the area is 7,000 square meter, or we can just write 7,000 meter square. So let's make a picture of that rectangular soccer field. We know that the length is 30 meter more than its width. So right over here, we just put down 30 plus something that we don't know yet, which is its width. How to write something we don't know yet? We just simply put x over here, and then we put another x over here. Now, based on our reference about the area of rectangular, we just write length times width, atau panjang dikali lebar, yaitu 3 plus x times x, sama dengan this will be, we using the distributive properties, which is 30x plus x squared. And after that, we substitute the area, which is 7,000, to this equation. Will be 7,000 equal 30x plus x squared. And then we arrange them to become x squared plus 30x minus 7,000 equals 0. And now we have successfully converted the equation into the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation atau persamaan kuadrat terbentuk dari 3 komponen utama, yaitu ax kuadrat, bx, dan c. In this example, we can see which one should be a, which one should be b, and which one should be c. From this example, we know that A is 1. Ya, di sini tidak ditulis satunya karena satu adalah invisible, tidak ditulis. Lalu kemudian, we know that B is 30, yaitu something behind the X. And C is the constants, or the number that don't have any variable. Pada contoh ini, C-nya adalah minus 7.000. Let's take a look another example. So, 2x squared plus 4x plus 2 equals 0. Now, can you mention the A? Yes, it is 2. Something behind x squared, and also B is 4, something behind the x, and also C is 2. The other example is like this one. We have minus 3x squared plus 12 equals 0. Is it a quadratic equation? It is a little bit confusing since there is no b in this equation, but we know that a is minus 3 and b is 0 since we don't see any b or bx in this equation. Now the c is 12. Is it a quadratic equation? Yes, it is still a quadratic equation even if we don't have the b. Simply because the highest exponent is 2. So, it is a quadratic equation. Sebagai catatan bahwa persamaan kuadrat atau quadratic equation adalah persamaan yang memiliki pangkat tertinggi 2 dan berbentuk ax kuadrat tambah bx tambah c sama dengan 0. So, that form is called quadratic equation form. And let's make clear about this one. Solving quadratic equation, or in Indonesian, we usually call it as menentukan nilai akar persamaan kuadrat. Look at the following example. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Now, we need to find the x, so this equation gives us 0 on both sides. Sederhananya, berapakah nilai x yang ketika kita substitusikan maka akan menghasilkan 0? To find the x, we need to do the factorization of algebraic expression, which is we need to find two numbers, and if we add them, will be equal to this one, but if we multiply them, will be equal to this one. Can you guess that number? Yes, it is positive 2 and positive 3. And after this, we write x plus 2 times x plus 3. Now, the original equation will transform into this one. Now, we separate them one by one. Using basic rules of equation, the x will be minus 2 and the x will be minus 3. So, the solution of this equation is minus 2 and minus 3. Now look at the other example. X squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. We need to find two numbers that if we add them become minus 4, then if we multiply them become minus 12. Absolutely, that number is negative 6 and positive 2. Jika kalian ragu, kalian bisa mencobanya. Negatif 6 ditambah 2 adalah benar negatif 4, dan negatif 6 dikali 2 adalah benar negatif 12. Now we simply write x minus 6 times x plus 2 equals 0. Then x minus 6 equals 0 and x plus 2 equals 0. Therefore we have x equal 6 and x equal minus 2. So this is the solution of x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0, which is 6 and minus 2. Sekarang kita kembali ke persoalan yang pertama, yaitu luas dari soccer field yang telah diubah menjadi bentuk persamaan kuadrat, yaitu x kuadrat ditambah 30x dikurang 7000 sama dengan 0. Dengan x itu menunjukkan lebarnya dan panjangnya adalah x ditambah 30. Now we have to find the x by doing the factorization like in the example. Kita cari dua buah bilangan yang jika kita jumlahkan hasilnya adalah 30 dan jika kita kalikan hasilnya adalah negatif 7000. Dan bilangan tersebut adalah 100 dan negatif 70. Lalu kita tuliskan menjadi x plus 100 dan dikali dengan x minus 70. Kemudian x plus 100 sama dengan 0 dan x minus 70 sama dengan 0. Lalu hasil akhirnya adalah x sama dengan minus 100 dan x sama dengan positif 70. Dari sini kita tahu bahwa x kemungkinan adalah dua jawaban, yaitu negatif 100 dan juga 70. Tetapi dalam hal ini karena kita berbicara mengenai lebar suatu lapangan, maka yang mungkin adalah 70. Now our conclusion is if the width is 70, then the length, which is 30 meters more than its width, is 100 meters. That's all for today's everyone. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to practice math at home. See you and bye-bye.